Welcome back to the vlog. What's up, Oscar? Welcome back to the vlog. God, it's been a while. I think it's been like a whole year. Anyway, I thought I'd start it off. Heading to CrossFit this morning in the 20-degree heat, which is just not ideal at all. And I'm probably going to be late, which means I'm probably going to have to do some burpees, which again, not ideal. Started back vlogging yesterday. Just realised I missed it so much, and today I thought it'd be a good day because it's nice and sunny, doing CrossFit, and my phone's ringing. And then I am heading out to do a family shoot, which is quite exciting. So I hope you enjoy watching me have about a 5-minute break in between each exercise of CrossFit. That was hard. Just got enough time now. Head back, get showered, get ready for the photo shoot. It's such a nice day for it, although it's now like 21 degrees, it feels about 25. I'm taking the Toggle London mini bag on today's shoot because I thought, you know, why not? So in here I have the Osmo Pocket, just having a cheeky charge. Canon 50mm, it's always lovely for portraits. Canon 5D Mark III with the lovely 35mm attached. And my absolute godsend, the Holcombe Loop. Spare battery. And I think we're good to go. Hey guys, I'm back in the car and I'm on my way to photo shoot. Still so warm, it's like 25 degrees. It's gone a bit cloudy, but to be honest, glad the sun's not out, it'd be a bit sweaty. Have you? Have you got names?
Glasses on it.
Tickly. Just got back in the car now. It was absolutely amazing. Ended up walking the whole area through the woods, right across all the fields, found a little stream. Absolutely crazy. But yeah, went really well. Just heading back now. I'm going to pick up Oscar Dog and then head up to Holcombe Hill to play with some drones. So like pretty full on day really. So I will catch up with you guys at Holcombe Hill with Oscar Dog. Hey Oscar Dog. Hey Oscar Dog. How you doing, pal? Hey? You going for a walk? We're going for a walk.
Should we get to the top first?
We're going for a walk. Let's go. Blast from the past. Playing with drones. Neil Redfern. It's windy.
Right, do it with my hand. Let's have the right wing.
Oh god. It's making me nervous. What's up, Oscar? Do you not like playing with the drone?
I'll put it away now. Go back to it.
Oh, no, don't. I'm only talking to the vlog.
I've realised when I do videos that when I'm not actually conscious of the camera.
Oh, you do this then?
No, a lot of the time I'm sort of like in pain.
She's feisty. Let's put some wires on. Bit of social distancing. Work Neil's out again. Not even working. She's just standing there with a Tesco bag doing nothing.